With Russia continuing to lose their more expensive and rare system, the TOS system loaded with rockets become very vulnerable for attacks, making the system to be used more during the night to let the darkness protect them. But with night vision drones becoming more common, they are under constant threat. This system however wasn't loaded when getting targeted, but is still very vulnerable to FPV drones, with Russia sending a BREM recovering vehicle to tow the more expensive system back. But get also targeted, with more drones sent to make sure each system gets taken out, destroying 2 more of Russia's rare system, leaving 2 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.